Warrington Central railway station opened as just Warrington on the 1st of August 1873, when the Cheshire Lines Committee opened the line between Glazebrook and Cressington and Grassendale to passengers. The suffix Central was added in 1875. The station is located on a raised embankment on the eastern side of where the line crossed Winwick Street on the northern edge of the town centre. The Cheshire Lines Committee in 1865 had Warrington Station positioned to the north on a straight route, halfway between Padgate and Sankey stations in a direct line. This would have been about 1,000 yards further from the town. As a result, the Warrington residents agitating to have the railway come closer to the town centre. A loop was constructed into the town and Warrington Station and goods yard was constructed on it. The loop and station opened in 1873. The direct route, otherwise known as the Warrington Avoiding Line, wasn't opened until 1883. The original station building, which faces away from the town, is not easily seen by passengers and is an impressively long one-storey fine Italianate building of 20 bays in yellow brick and decorative stonework, numerous rusticated roundhouse windows, a projecting canal block with balustrades. The western end has a pavilion and a pyramidal roof. It has two platforms on either side of the running lines with a subway between them at Winwick Street end. The subway was later opened out to provide access direct from Winwick Street to other platforms. The station was then rebuilt in 1983 with a street level entrance facing onto Winwick Street. Lifts to both platforms were installed in June of 2008 and the station was refurbished in 2011 with improvements to customer facilities. So we'll get started here at Warrington Central with 156424 and 156409, working the 0917 Northern Service from Manchester Oxford Road to Liverpool Lime Street. Next in to arrive to terminate with a Northern Rail service off of Liverpool Lime Street is 195113. Next to depart from the station is 185136 and 185126. Working the 0930 Transpennine Express service from Cleethorpes to Liverpool Lime Street, departing 7 minutes late. Next out to depart is 195113, working the 0944 Northern Service to Liverpool Lime Street. And as that departs arriving next into the station is 185146 and 185117, with the 0943 Transpennine Express service of Liverpool Lime Street to Cleethorpes. Arriving next to terminate with a Northern Rail service off Manchester Oxford Road is 195126. And departed off in the opposite direction under the head code 5 Whiskey Yankee 42 to Allerton Depot is 195126. Arriving next into the station is 158812 and 158862 with the 0957 East Midlands Railway service from Nottingham to Liverpool Lime Street. Whilst here comes our train in for 150142 and 156419 with the 0959 Northern service of Liverpool Lime Street to Manchester Oxford Road. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.